Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, yes, wow, very good. You know about this letter. Yes, it's letter V. Very good. Today, I will tell you its formation, its sound, and vocabulary words. So let's start. How to write it? Start from second line, come slant down, go slant up. It will make small V. The letter name is V. The sound of V is V. Voice. Voice. The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. Wow, it's really big van. The van has a variety of vegetables. I love to eat vegetables. Do you like vegetables? Which vegetable? I like potato, ladyfinger, tomato. And you? Wow, cauliflower. Very good. Now tell me that how many V's are there in above sentence? May I count with you? So let's start. When, we, were, when. 1. Variety. 2. Vegetables. 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 V's in the above sentence. Now, where are the vegetables? The vegetables are in the van. 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 Now it's time to rhyme. Look over here. What we are going to do? Oh, pretend to hold the steering wheel of this van. If you have a car, so you could hold it like that and say, woo, 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 van, van, woo, 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 van. I hope so. You enjoyed today's lecture. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.